Hi, I'm Chris Blackburn, a technologist at TE Connectivity, and I'm here at DesignCon 2020 showing our co-packaging socket technology. The integration of optics with switch silicon or AI silicon is interesting because it shortens the electrical channel, allowing lower power SerDes to be leveraged for significant power savings. We leverage TE's socket contact technology to provide a separable interface between the optical engines and the switch substrate. The entire co-package optics subassembly is mated to the host PCB leveraging TE's XLA socket technology. This provides power and auxiliary signals from the host to the CPO subassembly. There's a direct thermal path between each optical engine and the liquid cooling cold plate or heat sink. And this thermal path goes through our technology that we call thermal bridge. This allows all 16 or multiple optical engines to have different coplanarities and all make a direct thermal path. Here we have a 5x scale version of the socket technology with a cross-section cutaway, showing the socket in between the optical engine and host substrate. For more information on co-packaging or any socket technology, please visit te.com. Thank you.